In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly add a video to your Mailerlite landing page. If you're looking to create more engaging and visually captivating content for your audience, incorporating a video can be a fantastic way to achieve that. So let's get started with this straightforward process. To begin, you'll need to go to the Mailerlite website. This platform is a great tool for managing your email marketing campaigns, offering a variety of features to enhance your communication with your audience. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button, which you'll find prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it. After you've clicked the login button, you'll be prompted to sign in. If you're like many users who integrate their accounts for ease of use, choose to sign in with Google. This will swiftly authenticate your access using your existing credentials and allow you to manage your campaigns immediately without any fuss. Now that you're logged in, direct your attention to the dashboard and click on Sites. This is where you'll gain access to the landing pages and start implementing changes. You may have several projects on the go, so select the site you intend to edit next. Once you've chosen the right site, you'll see an option to edit it. Click there to open the editing interface. In the editing interface, you'll find an opportunity to create or modify different sections of your landing page. Look for the plus icon. This icon is critical as it allows you to add new content blocks or elements to your landing page. Pressing it will give you various options to bring in new forms of content. With the new options in front of you, look for the video block. It should be labeled clearly, showing that it's designed for video content specifically. Simply drag and drop this video block to the desired location on your page. This intuitive action allows for precise placement, ensuring your video content is exactly where you want it to be. Clicking on the added video block will bring up further options. You'll see a video icon which you'll need to click to edit the video settings. This option is essential to personalize your video block, enabling you to display the content you wish to showcase. And now the last step involves integrating your video. You have the flexibility to paste the link of a video from popular streaming platforms like YouTube or Vimeo into the provided field. Once the link is inserted, you're all set. Your video should now be part of your landing page, ready to engage your audience with its dynamic presence. That's all there is to it. Adding a video to your Mailerlite landing page can significantly enhance its appeal and effectiveness. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful to you.